Here's the thing about daily drivers. For me, it's not one laptop, it's two. I've learned that using the right tool for my job that makes everything faster, smoother, and honestly, more fun. So in this video, I'm walking you through my real world day in and day out setup with my MacBook, which is the heart of my productivity, and my Acer Predator, which is my performance beast for gaming, After Effects, heavy work, coding, Linux, and when you run those shady apps. On the MacBook, my day starts clean. It wakes up instantly, everything syncs, and I can jump into emails and planning without friction. I write scripts, outline ideas, and draft documents here because it's distraction free and stupidly reliable. The keyboard and trackpad are dialed in, the screen is crisp, and the battery life means I'm not chained to a charger. It feels calm, intentional, and ready the second I open the lid. When I'm browsing or researching, multiple tabs, notes, and references stay organized. It feels like an extension of my brain, not the device fighting my attention. App switching is instant, screenshots and markups are painless, and those tiny quality of life touches adding up the real momentum. That no friction vibe is exactly why this machine sits at the center of my workday and keeps me moving forward. For video work, the MacBook handles a lot more than you would expect. I do drafts, rough cuts, and a surprising number of full edits right on it. The timeline scrubs smoothly, exports are consistent, and the color and contrast on the Liquid Retina XDR display makes evaluating footage feels trustworthy. If it's straight to camera or a simple narrative, I usually take it end to end on my MacBook quietly and without fuss. Quick specs check, I'm on the 2024 14.2-inch MacBook Pro with the M4 Pro chip, a 14-core CPU and 20-core GPU paired with 24GB of unified memory and a 1TB SSD. It's built for Apple Intelligence features as they roll out. The size is perfect for portability and the XDR panel is easy on the eyes for long sessions. This configuration comes in at about 2,29,000. Discount links are in the description below. The best part of keeping my main brain work on the MacBook is how it reduces friction. Notes, reminders, calendars, and documents feel connected. I rely on the reliability. It opens, it works, it doesn't fight me. That consistency is the big reason it's my daily driver for words, planning, timelines, and yes, an unhealthy number of tabs. Now let's flip to the Acer Predator, the powerhouse. When it's time to game, build effects, heavy compositions, write code that wants GPUs or containers, or boot into Linux, this machine is my go-to. The difference is immediate. Higher frame rates, faster previewing in motion graphics, and kind of headroom that lets me stack effects, simulations, and renders without the system tapping out. Specs-wise, I'm using the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 with the 13th generation i7, NVIDIA RTX 4060 with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD. It runs on the Windows 11 Home on a sharp 16-inch WQXGA display. It's a proper gaming and workflow hybrid that can take a beating and still keep frames, previews, and comp iterations moving. Again, link is in the description. For After Effects, anything with complex comps, 3D layers, particle systems, or multiple effect stacks get promoted to the Predator. CUDA acceleration and the extra VRAM headroom on the 4060 makes preview feel responsive. I can iterate without babysitting caches. I'll prototype on the MacBook Pro if I'm traveling, but as soon as I'm home, the heavy motion graphics live on the Predator. Gaming is another major lane. The Predator's thermals hold up for long sessions, and the experience is exactly what you want for the AAA titles and competitive play. Coding and Linux are right at home here. I can spin up containers, run VMs comfortably, and hop into Linux when I need native tooling or server tests. GPU accelerated pipelines live here too, and if there's a plugin from a forum or a utility I don't fully trust yet, I'll sandbox it on the Predator so my Mac stays pristine and predictable. Small pain point though, two laptops means two separate chargers, so when I'm packing a bag, I do have to carry both bricks and their cables. Not ideal, but that's the trade-off. I wish Predator had a power delivery Type-C port. And that is my two laptop flow, clarity on Mac and power on Predator. Now you can check out both of them from the Amazon link in the description below for current pricing and discounts. I hope you found this video helpful, so leave a like and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now you must also be thinking what the hell I'm doing with so much of stuff, so you can also question that down in the comments. Now if you are looking for just gaming laptops, then this video will help, and if you are shopping for MacBook, then there you go. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.